guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another haul with you. Again, this is the time of year when all of the scrapbook collections are being released, and it's also the time of year that I buy other things that I've been thinking about for a long time. So let's get right into this haul. It's mostly 1Canoe2 Twilight, a couple more things from here and there by Crate Paper, and then some Kelly Purkey stamps. The first thing that I will show you, I've already used, and I've got a video. If it's not already up, it will be up really soon, on these beautiful layering stamps from 1Canoe2. You can kind of see that you basically just layer these solid pieces with these lined pieces, and you get these really lovely florals. I'll give you a sneak peek, but if you want to watch the video, it'll give you a better idea of how I did it, but this is kind of what it looks like. This was my very first attempt on, inexpensive sketchbook paper, but I think it's pretty fun and beautiful to play with. So stay tuned for that video. If it's already up, I'll link it below. But yeah, lots of fun playing with those so far. While we are on stamps, I will go ahead and show these Kelly Purkey ones. I got the Clearly Kelly planner stamps for all things movies and TV. So a lot of them have these, finale, like words like that you would use for television shows. I really love this little film strip and the popcorn. I also love the stars that you can rate, and then all these little icons. And I think I'll try using these in my bullet journal if I can get an ink that's not too dark. I've been putting like my current favorites in my bullet journal, so I think even this music notes will work really well in there. So I'm excited about these. I also got this Clearly Kelly road trip stamp set, and I've had my eye on this since I started scrapbooking a couple years ago, and I just hadn't bought it yet because I have a lot of travel stamps from her, but we do take a ton of road trips. We're planning on it this year, if we can ever be well enough and not busy enough to go somewhere. We're planning on taking a few road trips, so I wanted to finally get this stamp, and I absolutely love this outline of the United States. It'd be really fun for putting like point A to point B. For longer trips. Short trips, it's not going to look like much, but yeah, I just think it's really, really cute. I'm super excited to use that one. And then the last stamp, Kelly Purkey stamp that I got, is sort of this fall holiday planner. Oh, my cats are fighting. Oh my, okay. Cats are so fun. Alright, anyway, it's this fall holiday planner from Kelly Purkey, and these are intended for planner use. They're pretty small, but I love small stamps for all of my documenting, so really cute Thanksgiving ones. I love the pie. I love the pumpkin pie one. There's some Halloween kind of stuff, and also some little boxes. So I just think this is really cute. I'm always looking for fall stamps, and every time I think about buying them, it's already fall and they're sold out. So yeah, I'm excited to use all of these stamps in my documenting and my bullet journal. Next I have the 1Canoe2 Twilight collection. If you've seen this, it's absolutely gorgeous. The colors in this collection are so beautiful, and I will I will rave again about 1Canoe2. They are a Midwest based business. They're in Missouri. They're only probably 3 or 4 hours from where I live in Kansas, and I just feel that everything that they make is just super evocative of that like Midwest hometown outdoor. I don't know, it's just soft, it's natural looking, it's beautiful, everything is so beautiful, and it just makes me want to like be more outdoorsy. So we'll see how we can do with that, but anyway, I'll stop raving and get to this paper pad. It's the 12 by 12 Twilight paper pad, and I will just go through briefly. Oops. Okay, we've got the, I hate that I can't really orient this the correct way. I guess I could fold it. There we go. Alright, they have some beautiful foil. The cut-aparts are often my favorite. Like, I just want to frame these. Some little tags and banners. Ooh, this is pretty too. Yep, see, they're all gorgeous. I'll show all the other ones sideways. There's a nice floral. Again, just the peaches, the coral, the periwinkle blues and navy are lovely. Got this really pretty light pink foil on this one. Just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this one is like the epitome of a Midwest summer. Stormy skies, fireflies, fields, just beautiful. I'm feeling like if you live up north or if you live in the south, this still, you know, you don't have to live in the Midwest obviously to love this, but it's just like for me, it's like, oh my god, this is my childhood. So just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This one looks a lot like one from their first collection, Hazelwood, but in some different colors and also with some foil. It's a really large one, so they've been hard for me to use, but I think like if you're a 12 by 12 scrapbooker or if you frame them, that would be really beautiful. Here's another cut apart page. I've got some little strips and project life size cards here, and then a few tags, which are just really pretty. Really pretty. Got kind of this, it's like plus signs or crosses or something, which is kind of bold, but it's fun. Gosh, every other page I'm gonna have to turn sideways, sorry guys. Just another landscape, which is very, very pretty. Nice field, nice barn, beautiful colors. Again, good for 12 by 12s or framing. We've got some little fireflies with some gold foil, which are cute. Got their beautiful floral, which obviously coordinates with their floral stamps. Really cute, really pretty, kind of like a nighttime flower. Got another pink foil. On the inside, or on the outside, it says it has champagne and pink, but I think the champagne is more or less a gold to eyes of people who are not, you know, creating it the design wise. And we've got some moths here. They're cute. They could be fun to fussy cut. Got a really pretty marble with some foil. See, this is the champagne. I really think it's pretty close to gold. It might be slightly lighter, but if you were wondering what that means, it's basically gold. Another beautiful floral, kind of more muted colors. Another pink foil here, polka dot. Plaid, which they always do, and plaid is not my favorite, but I'm coming to sort of expect it with their lines, and I do think that this is, I like this one a little bit more than some in the past, so it's really fun. This one is another gold champagne foil, kind of a cool vine tile type pattern. Really beautiful blue foliage sort of look. And that is all the individual pages. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. They're really beautiful. I just really want to make some mini albums with their collection. So hopefully I'll get around to that soon. The next thing that I got is the sticker sheet. Again, this is almost all going to be 1Canoe2 Twilight at this point in time. So yeah, just what we've come to expect from 1Canoe2. Really beautiful florals, some handwritten words, some cute sort of like homespun elements, bikes, jars, books and things. They're plus signs, which I love. Like really small elements are so easy to use. I always appreciate that. And we've got some nice word and phrase stickers in here and a decent amount of foil as well. I love anything with like a little quote or saying. Super gorgeous. Just, yeah, favorites. The next thing I got are the thickers. I've been trying not to buy too many stickers because I don't title a whole lot unless I use that tiny Kelly Purkey white alpha because it fits on absolutely everything, and I usually do small sizes. But I loved this font. And since I'm very determined to be making a lot of things with 1Canoe2's items, I really wanted to get this to coordinate. And since it's kind of a white, off-white color, it will go with everything, which will be great. I'm not sure if you can see the texture a little bit. It's got this really nice sort of canvasy texture to it. So that's kind of fun. You could probably like color them using some certain method if you wanted to, but I really like the neutral for myself. As I say, I'm not going to buy more thickers. Here's another set of thickers. These go with the Here and There collection, and I decided last time when I ordered the Here and There stuff I didn't want it, but I decided that I do want it, and I'm really glad I got them. They're really cute. They're very big. I have small hands, but they're very big, so I don't know. They'll be really fun to use. I love that they chose this copper as their metallic. I think it's really pretty. So it's going to be fun for all kinds of stuff, but especially travel documenting for me. The next thing that I got are the wood buttons. They're wooden with a little bit of like an epoxy finish, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not really sure, but anyway, you've got the little bits from their collection inside, little fireflies, flowers, basically prints that coordinate with their paper pad. Those are really fun. I like dimensional elements, and you don't always get wood buttons with collections, so I'm really excited about those. The next thing that I got are the rub-on transfers. I absolutely love their rub-on transfers from Creekside, which were just the stars and constellations, and they're not gone, but I keep using them on all sorts of things, and these were just so beautiful. Too beautiful to pass up. So, yeah, lots of really fun things in here. I love all of the words as well. This is just going to be beautiful to put on your projects. And the last thing that I got is the die cut shapes. I was watching my video back the other day before I posted it, and I was just having a horrible time opening these packages. That was basically just user error while filming, because there is a adhesive flap that opens on the bottom of all of them. So if you're watching it going, you can't even open packaging, you would be right. I can't. So let's start with the little guys this time. Gonna get a container. Okay. Got some little stamps, postage stamps, very cute. Got some, that one has a little bit of paper on it. Hearts, lightning bugs and moths, fireflies, whatever you want to call them. What do you call them where you live? Are they fireflies or lightning bugs? Or are those actually separate things? Because I always call them lightning bugs. I don't know. Kind of that tile foliage looking thing. Okay, so there are a lot of little scraps on these. That's okay though. Books. I love books. Moths. Teapot with some flowers in it. Really cute. Some little old-fashioned scissors. Some little flags and banners, as we've come to expect. More moths. A little older radio. It's really cute. You could even cut apart the music notes if you wanted to use them separately, but they're cute together too. Never say never. The saying ones are always my favorite. A little heart, a little mason jar. The big ones here. Got some nice foil words. Love. You're a peach. That's one of my favorite things from this collection. So very blessed. That's pretty. Ooh, I love it. Love the landscapes. Lots of really nice florals, as usual. This I love too. You are radishing, my dear. How cute is that? Flowers in a jar. An old clock radio. Bike. some little ledger paper, some tags. Oh my gosh, killing me with the Pride and Prejudice, Pride and Prejudice quotes. Tag along, that's cute. Home, blessed. I do feel like we often get kind of the same words. They're really usable, so it's not really a problem. Wow, these are big, big florals. So if you do smaller sizes, you may want to like kind of fussy cut them out, or you know, cut them in half and use them on either side of a picture like Paige Evans does a lot. And this is a little bit smaller, but they're all pretty big. Super cute postcard, adorable. Let Your Light Shine, also really adorable. And The Road Home, another postcard. I love that the postcards are from home, that's kind of fun. Yeah, so these are all really adorable. I am so excited about this collection and all of my various new stamps as well. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see, and if you're using any of these collections yourselves, and if you live in the Midwest and you want to gush about how much these 1Canoe2 images just like remind you of home, go ahead in the comments so we can talk forever about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.